Oh, siya na daw sasagot para sa'yo. OMG. How about po kung sinabi ng amo ko na hindi na siya masaya sa work ko, kaya nasagot ko siyang i-terminate na niya ako. In short notice niya ako. Please, 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 do not threat your bosses. Diba? Ano masabi mo? Please take note, all of us foreign workers here in the UAE or even in the other countries are replaceable. Dispensable po tayo. Kaya hindi po good idea na i-threaten natin sila, i-trigger natin sila, na i-terminate nila tayo. There is a better way on how to say things. Number one, we could have asked him, what makes it not okay? Number two, you could have said, what can I do to make my work better? In that way, number one, makakuha ka ng sympathy. Number two, proactiveness. Yan yung tinatawag na better communication. Two of you must agree kung ano dapat ang gagawin. Pero kung terminate ka na niya on short notice or without notice, may nakapost na po ako sa profile ko under sa UAE Labor Law. Pwede niyo pong ibisita yan. Again, do not threaten your bosses.